Key rules to know of MGM Rewards Status Match Challenge. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Rule 1. Participation requires visiting an MGM Rewards desk in person, so make sure you visit in person. And rule number 2. You must present a valid competitor loyalty card. Make sure your name is printed in that as well. Rule 3. You must present valid government-issued photo identification. Rule 4. It must be an eligible competitor program per the challenge materials. Rule 5. It must be during the defined status match period. Make sure you see the programs. And Rule 6. Additional requirements may apply to extend beyond the initial period, so make sure you have everything settled. And this is key rules to know of MGM Rewards Status Match Challenge. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.